We're making a delicious keto sausage roll. Let's go! A regular sausage roll can be a little messy to eat because when you bite into it, the pastry is flaky and it tends to crumble and goes everywhere. But it does add to the deliciousness. In this video, I created a 3-ingredient keto pastry that's less flaky but delicious and so soft. It is a modified fathead dough that I'm sure you will find pretty easy to make. But to me, it tasted way better than a fathead dough. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. Also in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a smoky beef filling that is simple to make and really yummy. But with this pastry, you can make lots of other fillings, like maybe even a chicken spinach alfredo or maybe even a vegetarian. Let's get into the recipe now. Melt 2 cups of grated cheese in the microwave. Mine took about 1.5 minutes. Add 1 cup of almond flour and a teaspoon of baking powder and mix until fully combined. Roll out the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper. I'm just tidying off the edges and cutting my dough into a rectangle shape. Set that aside for now and let's make the filling. Over a medium heat, add a teaspoon of olive oil. And when the oil is heated, add 1/3 cup of diced onions. It's about 40 grams. Saute those until it's translucent. Add 250 grams of ground beef, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Break up the meat and fully combine those flavors into your ground beef as well. After about 5 minutes, turn off the heat and your filling is ready. You'll see that you have a bit of liquid left over. When I scoop my filling, I'm just going to try and leave some of that oil behind. I don't want a dry sausage, but I don't want that one that's overly wet either. Share the filling out in 2 rows on either end of your pastry. Now we're going to roll the pastry towards the middle. This is what you're looking for. You've brought your 2 fillings together with the pastry and you've made 2 rolls. Now cut it in the middle. Add it straight onto a baking tray. Brush it with butter, so your everything but the bagel seasoning can stick to it. I'm making cocktail sausage rolls, which is the mini ones. So at this point, if you want to cut yours, you would do it and not separate them out because you don't want your filling to fall out. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And here they are, fresh out the oven. Place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Sometimes I'll have sausage roll as an entire meal, or I can even have it as a snack. I really hope you get to try it. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.